the Vivo X300 Ultra is set to debut in China on March 30th. So far, Vivo has revealed key details about the phone's rear camera setup and even showcased its teleconverter lenses, but has held back on other specs. Now, a new leak has revealed the device's battery capacity and offered a look at it from all angles. A tipster has shared hands-on images of Vivo's upcoming flagship on Weibo, including one that reveals key details such as the phone's battery capacity and chipset. According to the leak, the X300 Ultra will pack a 6,600 mAh battery, marking a 600 mAh increase over its predecessor, the X200 Ultra. The images also suggest that the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC and features Vivo's VS1 and V3 Plus imaging chips. The rear panel is seen with a dual-tone finish, in line with the teaser Vivo recently shared, which showed the device in a green color option. Vivo is expected to reveal more details about the device as the launch date approaches.